Plant FAQs. Begonia glowing embers. Begonia glowing embers, a gardener's guide. The begonia glowing embers is a captivating plant, not just for its fiery orange blooms that seem to smolder in the summer sun, but also for its rich, bronze foliage that provides a dramatic contrast. It's a popular choice for gardeners, and for good reason. But like any dazzling flower, it comes with its own set of questions. Fear not, fellow plant enthusiasts, for I, Ferb am here to answer your burning begonia glowing embers FAQs. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is begonia glowing embers? Begonia glowing embers is a tender, trailing perennial often grown as an annual. It boasts dark green, pointed leaves with a captivating purple underside. The real showstopper, though, are the vibrant orange, single flowers that bloom profusely from midsummer until autumn. This fiery display truly lives up to its name, adding a touch of warmth and vibrancy to any patio or balcony. How to care for begonia glowing embers. Caring for begonia glowing embers is relatively straightforward. Here's the lowdown. Light. Partial sun is ideal. Too much direct sun can scorch the leaves, while insufficient light will lead to leggy growth and fewer blooms. Water. Aim for consistent moisture, but avoid soggy soil. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Soil. Well-draining potting mix is crucial. Opt for a light and airy blend that allows excess water to escape freely. Fertilizer. During the growing season, a balanced liquid fertilizer applied every 2 weeks will keep your begonia glowing embers thriving. Temperature. This begonia prefers warm temperatures, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. Protect it from frost and chills. With proper care, your begonia glowing embers will reward you with a stunning display of color throughout the summer months. How to propagate begonia glowing embers. Propagating begonia glowing embers is a breeze. Here are 2 methods you can try. Stem cuttings. Take a 4-inch stem cutting just below a leaf node during the spring or summer. Remove the lower leaves and plant the stem in a pot filled with moist, well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil consistently moist and provide indirect light. Roots should develop within a few weeks. Leaf cuttings. This method takes a bit longer but can be successful. Cut a healthy leaf along with a short petiole. Dip the petiole in rooting hormone, optional, and plant it in a pot with moist potting mix. Cover the pot with a plastic bag to maintain humidity and place it in indirect light. Roots and new growth should emerge in several weeks. With a little patience, you'll soon have new begonia glowing embers plants to share with friends or add to your burgeoning collection. How to overwinter begonia glowing embers. Since begonia glowing embers is technically a perennial, you can attempt to overwinter it and enjoy its fiery blooms again next year. Here's how. Bring it indoors. Before the first frost arrives, bring your begonia glowing embers indoors to a brightly lit location with warm temperatures, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius. Reduce watering. Water sparingly during the winter months, allowing the soil to dry out almost completely between waterings. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Minimize fertilizer. You can stop fertilizing altogether during the winter or apply a very weak solution once a month. Prune for growth. Prune leggy or overgrown stems to encourage bushier growth in the spring. If all goes well, your begonia glowing embers should survive the winter and can be brought back outside in the spring once the danger of frost has passed. However, due to its delicate nature, some gardeners find it easier to simply treat it as an annual and start fresh with new plants each year. What to plant with begonia glowing embers. Begonia glowing embers pairs beautifully with a variety of plants, creating stunning container displays. Here are a few suggestions. Coleus. The vibrant foliage of coleus comes in a kaleidoscope of colors, complementing the fiery orange blooms of the begonia glowing embers. Million bells. These cascading beauties with their delicate, trumpet-shaped flowers add a touch of whimsy to the container. Sweet potato vine. The trailing foliage of the sweet potato vine, in shades of green, purple, or bronze, creates a lush backdrop for the begonia glowing embers to shine. By experimenting with different color combinations and textures, you can create a container masterpiece that will be the envy of the neighborhood. For a more elegant look, consider pairing the Begonia glowing embers with silver foliage plants like Dusty Miller or Senecio. The cool tones will create a striking contrast with the warm orange blooms, adding a touch of sophistication to your display. No matter your preference, Begonia glowing embers is a versatile plant that can be easily incorporated into a variety of container arrangements.